Cerasee is used to control diabetes. It's used for high blood pressure to lower it. It's used to rid the body of inflammation. It's used to rid the body of parasites like worms. It's used to treat menstrual cramps. It's used as a digestive aid, and all other digestive digestive issues like bloating and constipation. Cerasee is best had on an empty stomach. So first thing when you wake up in the morning, you have a cup.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Continuing to showcase the potent medicinal herbs of Jamaica. And today I'm going to share with you one that is one of the most popular, if not the most popular. What is that? Wanna guess? This bad boy, it's Cerasee, also known as bittermelon. I got it right this time. Bittermelon in other parts of the world. What is it though? What is it good for? And how bittermelon or Cerasee can help you? And I have the expert with me, Monique from Earth Medicine. She's gonna talk to us. She's gonna talk to us, you and I, sharing her knowledge of this amazing plant. First though, special shout out to a few of my ardent members, ardent subscribers, Joan Richards, Elise Clark, and Andrea Barnes. These are people who have always been talking to me about Cerasee. So special shout out to you guys. Well listen, if you are brand new, meaning you're here for the first time, I say welcome. Glad to have you. But listen, I'm on a journey to showcase what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the real products of Jamaica, the real attractions of Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to join us. And it's simple, just hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you simply get all my latest videos. One more thing, we have a little bonus for you. Monique is gonna share something a little bit more interesting with you at the end. So stay to the end and learn more about that then. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the Cerasee, and this, oh by the way, that's Rocky, and this is Monique from Earth Medicine. Hi Monique.
Hi.
Pleasure to finally connect with you, my friend.
Yes, it's a pleasure.
Yes, and we're going to talk about something not so pleasant tasting though. It's Cerasee or bittermelon.
Yes.
What is it?
Okay, so Cerasee is one of our popular medicinal plants here in Jamaica and has been used in traditional folklore medicine for generations. Now, if you are Jamaican, if you say you're a Jamaican, and you, especially if you come from the rural area of Jamaica, and you do not know Cerasee, then you're an imposter. You cannot be Jamaican. You cannot be Jamaican. You know?
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay. So, and that's actually, so show my viewers now. So this is...
Okay, so it's a vine. And you will find this growing along roadsides in people's yards, just wildly, you know, organically and abundantly. And because it's a vine, you'll see it growing on trees, other vegetation, you know, anything that will support it. All you, if you stand up for too long, it will grow upon you too.
Oh,
that's what it is. Yes.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so that's what it looks like.
Right. This is what it looks like. So it's green in color. And as I said before, it's a vine, and it bears some fruits. When it is young, it is green in color, and then it matures into a yellow-orange color, right? And the fruit is bitter, but it ripens sweet, you know. This is the unripened fruit, and it starts off green. Then upon maturity, it becomes yellow-orange in color.
Actually, Rocky is here. So Rocky is Monique's partner in this earth medicine business. Rastaman. You're Rastaman, right, Rocky?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Are you going to tell us a little more about the fruit of the Cerasee? What are you going to share with us?
Oh, this is the green one. So when the green one green, you see it inside of it, have a white looking color.
Okay.
But when the fruit is ripe and mature and it's ripe, here they have a red looking. You see them become red.
Yeah.
So when you put them inside of your mouth, it's sweet.
So they can be eaten?
So you can suck off it. The flesh out, it have a little thing on it where you can suck like sweetie.
Yes.
Guys, it's so very sweet.
Oh, nice.
You can suck it, you know.
Okay.
It's very
Okay, good.
sweet and
So it can be eaten.
tastes nice.
All
Yeah,
right.
it's nice.
Tastes nice.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys. So that's Rocky, right?
Yeah, Rocky.
All right,
yeah.
Rocky man is a key member of this Earth Medicine family here. And back to Monique. What you want to share with us?
What I wanted to say to you is that even though it's not traditional for Jamaicans to eat the green fruits or the unripened fruits, in other countries like Asian countries, it's traditional for them to eat the green fruit.
Interesting.
And they eat it, they use it as a vegetable. And they can have it, they eat it raw or they have it cooked. So it's a big part of their cuisine in Asian countries. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The fruit.
The fruit.
Okay.
Yes.
But in Jamaica, we use the leaves and the...
In Jamaica, we chiefly use, it's not traditional for us to use the fruits that way. We use the leaves and the vines.
Which brings me to the next question, Monique, is how do we typically use this
All right, so
in Jamaica?
In Jamaica, what we do is we use the leaves and the stem of the vine to make what we call quote-unquote bush tea. That's what we do, and then we drink this, and it's used to purge the body, or purge the blood rather. Yes.
How do you do, so tell us, man, how do we typically do that?
All right, in traditional medicine, what they do is just take like a handful like this, you put it into a pot with some water, and you boil it up for a couple of minutes or for some minutes, and then you strain it off, and then you drink it.
Yeah.
Some people add sweeteners, some people just have it as is.
Oh, I mean, you can add other stuff with it.
You can add cinnamon to it, you can add honey to it, some people add what you call it, the coconut milk to it, some people add
Coconut
sugar.
milk?
Yes, some people add coconut milk to it.
Okay.
This enhances the flavor, so you know it's not as bitter.
How do you have it?
I usually just have it plain. Yes.
Rastaman, how do you have it?
I just have it, boil it and just drink it, so I boil it plain.
Plain same way?
Don't put anything into it.
Oh, okay. But green or dried though? Because there's a debate on there.
Okay, you can have it dried or you can have it green. No, when you have herbs dried, it is more potent, so it's stronger, right? So that's really the difference. You know, when you have it green, it's because it's dried, it's dehydrated, so the water has been removed, so it's stronger, it's more potent. When you have it green, the water is still in it, so it's not as strong.
Oh.
You know? But you can have it both ways. It's the same effect either way.
Okay,
Yes.
cool.
Yes.
There is obviously a reason why it is definitely one of the most popular medicinal herbs in Jamaica, Monique, right? It does something or some things for people. What does it do? What does Cerasee do, as far as you know, certainly in traditional belief? What does it do for us?
All right, so like I said before, primary use is to purge the blood, rid the body of toxins, right? But people also use it outside of that, right? They also use it to reduce blood pressure. They also use it to lower blood sugar levels, right? To rid the body of inflammation. They use it as a digestive aid and also other digestive issues, you know, like bloating and constipation. They use it to get rid of parasites like worms from the intestine, yes. And they also use it for menstrual cramps, you know, to treat that. Yes.
Oh, interesting.
Yes, interesting.
So it's good for everything. It's a powerful cleanser.
Yes, it is a very powerful cleanser.
Yeah.
Very powerful.
I have some questions that my peeps typically ask. I'm going to ask you. You know the routine. You know me. You know my channel. So
Yes,
you know
I
the
do.
routine. It's
Yes.
questions for you, my friend. One, how many times can you drink Cerasee tea?
Well, you know, that is disputable. In my family, traditionally how we use it twice for the year, and it's chiefly given to school children, right? For the summer term, when they go off on summer holidays, and for the Christmas term, to purge their body. You know, you eat up all these sweet things and stuff to clean you out.
Yeah.
Right, so not to clean you out, sorry, to purge your blood.
Yeah.
Right, or to detox the liver rather.
Uh-huh.
Right? But in other person's family, sometimes they'll have it like 2 times for the month or 3 times for the month. But it's not something that you must have continuously. You have to take occasional breaks. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So to answer the question, how many times?
Okay. So how many times?
It depends.
It depends. It depends. Some people will have it every month, not more than 3 times for the month. Some people have it twice for the year. It depends.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How do you make Cerasee taste better, Monique?
Well, some persons add sweeteners, like some people add sugar, some people add cinnamon, honey, some people even add coconut milk, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I think you alluded to that earlier.
I had.
Yeah.
Yes.
what happens if I drink Cerasee tea every day?
That's not a good thing,
Yeah.
right? It can affect your liver. You know, it can cause your liver to become enlarged. It's not recommended. You're not supposed to go past 9 days. You're supposed to take a break.
That's
after
because
9
it's a
days.
cleanser.
It's a cleanser.
Yeah.
Some people do it up to 7 days. Some people go up to 9, but not more than 9 days.
More consecutively.
Yes, right, consecutively.
Okay. Another one here. What does Cerasee do to your body?
Well, as I said before, it purges the blood. It causes the liver to remove toxins and all that. So naturally, when all of that happens, it causes the body to work more effectively. So all the organs will work more effectively. You know, the heart, the kidneys, everything.
Cool.
Yes.
All right. I wonder if Russ, have you have anything to add?
I like it myself drinking it.
All right. So you drink it fire?
Yeah, me drink Cerasee, but me drink it like 5 morning and take a break. Cause when me drink it, me notice me have good energy during the day to work and so. So it's like it that build up me energy.
Energy level.
Yeah, yeah.
Because the clean. So let me ask you fire. So when you drink it, you drink like a cup.
Yeah, me don't drink a cup. Like 5 morning pants straight.
That's it.
Yeah.
5 morning straight. And
yeah.
and how do you drink it at a particular time of the morning? Do you eat first?
No,
Do you?
Yeah. Me like me have breakfast, me don't drink it for me tea a morning time.
Okay.
So
Oh, drink it with regular tea.
a morning time.
Yeah.
Me
Okay.
drink it.
Okay.
If me do the breakfast,
Yeah.
me just make it for my tea.
Yeah.
A morning time.
Okay. So you sweeten it too?
No, me not sweet nothing. Me don't
Well,
drink it plain.
Can I be honest with you? A lot of people have interviewed, both of you guys. A lot of people have interviewed about these herbs and stuff. What came out to me so glaring is the fact that most of you guys don't use sugar, don't sweeten your herbs.
No herb.
Am I the bad one?
No, the real herb. The herb we can sweeten.
Yeah.
But many of the herb them is preferred to drink.
Yeah, I know it's better to drink.
Works
Unsweetened.
more
Unsweetened.
effectively. Not to say that it's going to affect the active ingredients
Yeah.
in the plant if you use like a honey or
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
But you know, the sweet thing's not really good for you. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah, I know. I
We
am.
don't sweeten herb.
I pray for me. I want to get it. All right.
But there's something else I wanted to add to what you were saying. Oh, Cerasee is best had on an empty stomach. So first thing when you wake up in the morning, you have a cup of
Okay.
Cerasee and you wait half hour before you eat anything.
Okay.
Why you do that is because
you
it can
can
work
drink it.
when your intestine, when you don't have anything inside your stomach like that, it works more effectively.
And that's true of cleansers in general, right? Right?
Yes,
Okay,
definitely.
All right. What? Oh, there's a question here that says somebody asks, what does Cerasee cure? But you mentioned some of that already. But you want to, for the benefit of the viewers, you want to mention that, just kind of list a few of them.
All right, so
What does Cerasee cure?
Cerasee is used to control diabetes. It's used for high blood pressure to lower it. It's used to rid the body of inflammation. It's used to rid the body of parasites like worms. It's used to treat menstrual cramps. It's used as a digestive aid. And all the other digestive issues like bloating and constipation. These are just,
Coming down, guys, is Cerasee good for the heart?
well, naturally it would protect the heart, you know. And when you purge the blood, when you detox like that, it's like you're resetting the body. Like when you carry your car to the garage to get a service. Don't you notice a difference when you tune up?
Yes,
When
yes.
you're firing right, all the organs are firing right.
And that includes the kidney, because the next
Every-
question is Cerasee good for kidneys? So the obvious answer
It's
is
good for everything.
everything,
All,
okay.
All the organs will fire better, you know.
how many cups of Cerasee can you drink a day? That's another question. I think that's the final question.
You don't go. You usually have one, and as Rocky had mentioned, you have it like for 5. Well, he says 5 days, but you can go up to 9 days, and
Yeah.
it's 1 cup
Yeah.
per day. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach.
All right.
Right.
That's it. Proud of you guys. You did very well. Give them a thumbs up right now, guys. Give them a thumbs up. They know they know the stuff. They answer all the questions I have for them. What question do you have for Monique and Rocky? I want you to drop it in the comment right now. What other questions you have about Cerasee? Right now, come on, drop it in the comment, man. We're waiting on you. We're waiting on it. We're going to respond to you. Drop it now. There's one more use of Cerasee, guys. We want to share that with you now. You probably have never knew this before. Most of you, actually, you watching now, I guarantee you didn't know this. I'm going to share that with you. Monique is going to share that with you now as the bonus. Remember, we promised you the bonus. This is the information. What do you want to tell them now, Monique?
All right. So Cerasee can be used to treat skin problems, you know, like if you have eczema or any kind of skin rashes, also fungal infections like ringworm, wounds, insect bites, itches, that kind of thing. And in traditional medicine here in Jamaica, persons do use it that way, but not, that is not the number one use, but it can be used that way. And back in the olden days in rural Jamaica,
Ready for this, guys? Ready for this?
what you find people do
Yeah.
is that they would get a galvanized bath pan, and they would take this, the leaves and the stem, and they would put it in there with some water, put it out into the sun, and you know that the sun has ultraviolet rays, so there's medicine there. So when it combines with the water, it pulls out the active ingredients or the medicine from out of the plant into the water. Then the water becomes warm enough, not too hot, just nice and warm. Then they would bathe their babies and their toddlers in this bath. And let me tell you, they have the most beautiful skin. It dries up any rashes, you know, and that kind of thing. And like, you know, my mom, she's a retired specialist, registered nurse, specializing in health promotion and education. And when she would have her clinic days and the mothers would come out with their babies, occasionally you'd see a baby with beautiful skin, and she'd go over to the mother, you know, wow, your baby has such beautiful skin, and they'll be like, yeah man, I saw some bush tea, my boy, yeah, and bathe the baby with, yeah.
Oh,
and so,
really?
And sometimes they
And
combine,
it's the same Cerasee they bathe the baby with?
same Cerasee water, right? And sometimes they combine it with other herbs, like guaco bush. Some people say guaco, but same thing. Yeah, sometimes they combine it with other herbs too.
Interesting.
And I'm telling you, beautiful skin. So if you want to have that beautiful skin, or you want to clear up any skin problems you're having, Cerasee.
Do you know if your
bush.
mama used that on you, Monique?
Well, when I was younger, yeah.
I'm pretty sure, I'm
Yes.
pretty sure, because you look nice as well. Like, you'll be using some Cerasee, man. Yeah, man, even the Rasta man skin look clean too, guys, that's true. Drink up him Cerasee.
Yeah, man, I drink plenty of it.
Nice, nice. How do you use your Cerasee though? Put it in the comment now. And if you haven't used it, meaning you didn't know about it, is it something that you're going to use? Let us know. We are interested in that as well. Monique, you have an interesting channel that the world needs to know about.
Right.
Tell us about it, where people are interested in learning more. Because, guys, first of all, give her another thumbs up for me, please. Give her a thumbs up. Give Sir Rocky another thumbs up. They have been awesome. They know their stuff. Your channel, Earth Medicine.
Right. So,
Tell us about what you do on there and where persons can find you.
right. So, Rocky and I, we're partners. We have a YouTube channel that is called Earth's Medicine with an apostrophe S. So you can, the handle is at Earth's Medicine with the S. Right. So what we do is we profile different Jamaican medicinal plants, and we share the uses in traditional medicine. Very interesting, you know. Yeah, so please go on over there if you have not subscribed and subscribe.
Go over now.
And watch up the videos there.
Yes,
Give
yes.
us that
Actually,
support.
they do have a popular one over there, guys. The prostate one, which is the one.
Oh yes.
The
Right now, we have my father. He had an enlarged prostate, and he took some cassava. He took a cassava treatment, which helped him a lot with his symptoms. And right now, a lot of people are watching up that because they find it so interesting. So you can head on over there and learn about that, right?
awesome. That's Monique and Rocky, man, of Earth's channel. Loving it, guys. Loving it. Rocky and Monique, guys, from Earth Medicine on the Jamaican Cerasee, also known as bittermelon. Interesting, not true? What jumped out at you though? I would love to hear. You know the routine, I want to hear from you. Put it in the comment. There's another video I need you to see. Another powerful powerhouse plant, medicinal plant here. We use here in Jamaica. It's the aloe vera. Man, we did a video on that. You're gonna love it. It's in the description and it's in the card above. See you, that one.